Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to connect Instagram with Make.com. First of all, go to Make.com website. Here we are on the Make dashboard. Go to Connections on the left, then open the Scenario Builder. Click Build from Scratch or choose a template. Next, click the plus icon, scroll down, and select Instagram for Business. Choose an event, for example, Watch Event, then click Create a Webhook. Name it and select Create a Connection. Click Save, and it will open Facebook in your browser. Log into your Facebook account, and your Instagram connection will be set up successfully. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.